In my case, before joining the master, I studied the master's degree in mechanical engineering. And afterwards, I did a postgraduate degree in the finite element method. So before working in the automotive, I was working in a very specialized fields of mechanical engineering, mostly in industrial and aerospace field. I developed my career in FACC in Austria. And then with the time, my job was more related on the project management than in the techniques, and then I switched to the automotive industry this year, and that's when I received the opportunity to come to the master.
Before I joined the ELS class, I graduated mechanics in Korea, and I also studied fluid dynamics in the graduate schools, and I worked as the optical engineer in the Hyundai Mobis for 5 years.
That's actually a good question for me, because I didn't choose directly this master. My managers chose me to participate in this master, and actually when I received the offer to come here, I didn't hesitate and I said yes, because I knew that it would mean a lot of advantages in my career in the company.
I enrolled in this master courses because I was facing some problems in my field, because I was starting as the mechanical engineer in the university, but I was applied to the lighting field and work as the optical engineer for 5 years. But I had a lack on the knowledge of the basic fundamental of the optics, and after 5 years I was facing some difficulties. So I looked for the chances for the good education, and I found this, and it looked like it was very good chance for improve my knowledge in the optical field.
For me, in terms of curriculum, since I am a team leader, it's quite important to have this master as an asset for my curriculum. In my position, we have to manage a lot of different fields of knowledge, since electronics, optics, mechanical design, prototyping, and so on. So usually people occupying my position come from a lower position in the company, which is usually specialized in some field. And then when you achieve the position as a team leader, you are a specialist in one field and not in the others. So I think it makes the difference to have this master, because it helps you to know a little bit from the other fields you are not specialized on.
This master courses can be my biggest asset, because I can learn a lot of fields about the lightings. I work as the optical engineer for the 5 years, but I have very narrow field understanding the lighting industry. And to move on or to grow up, I need to know more electronics or mechanics or other things to improve my career. And I think it'll be a great chance to improve myself.
Till now, the main highlights of the program we have seen are mainly focused in optics. We have studied a lot of optics from the theoretical point of view, and also some practical work on the lab, and also doing some simulation. But also it was very interesting to have the opportunity to share some lectures with the industry, directly car makers and suppliers. And also we had a very good opportunity to be 1 week in the Straight Design School and share our work with the students of design. Actually, we applied their ideas to our project in the master, and that was quite interesting.
The highlight, I have to say, it is the lectures from the industrial partners, because there's a lot of courses or education chances, but you don't have many chances from the real experts from the industrial partners. So we can learn more very practical things that we can apply right into our work, and it was very interesting for me to learn from them. And also we had chance to work with the designer in the Straight University, and working with the designer is always difficult because we have very different languages, but it is a very good chance to connect ourselves and work with each others.